You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah, yeah.
What's up, y'all? So I decided to do a vlog just showing what I did in this week. And I started off with some self-care. Y'all, let me just make note that I do my own nails. So when it comes to a pedicure, that's what I don't do, okay? And I did like this lemon peel scrub thing. It was actually very nice. So I might go to the store and get some more lemons and just do this myself because this was actually kind of pricey. But I wanted to show y'all what my nails look like this day. Everyone in the nail salon kept asking me if I did them myself. I did record this set. If you want to see it, let me know and I'll edit that for y'all. But let's just get into the other things I did. I went to the dog store to get the little kiddos some treats. This was like a bacon peanut butter treat or something like that. So just enjoy my vlog. Okay, so I cut them up. Make sure they get the, because he be acting like a baby. Both get one to start. One to start. I know my children. You guys want a little snack?
All right. Let's see, pet pals. Eyes. Good girl. Go. Sit. Good boy. Hey, eyes. Good boy. Go.
So we are on our way to meet someone from Rover, which is a service to meet like local sitters and stuff. We wanted Chanel to spend the night on a special night. And I was just showing y'all that she's in Carter's old like car seat. And on our way to meet this lady, within an hour, Chanel throws up twice. So that's lovely. So because little Miss C threw up twice, she's now having a slow feeder, which is what we had on a backup for Carter. So now she's using this because that was very unpleasant. But it happens when dogs aren't used to the car, so that's fine.
Extra services today, like getting her nails cut?
If you see fit.
You can check.
Yeah, you can check and see if it's necessary.
If it is needed, it's like $16.
That's fine.
With that? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, she doesn't.
Excuse me.
First day of daycare?
First day of daycare.
So we ended up loving that lady from Rover, so Chanel is being dropped off on this day to again spend the night with her. Well, that was super simple, huh?
Yeah. Very.
She's an easy one. Fun fact, on this day, we are celebrating our 12-year anniversary of being together, and we actually eloped as well, so we are married now, y'all. I didn't record that just because that was sacred to us, but at first we had to get some brunch in, and when I actually have my wedding, I will record that and show y'all for sure. Which way you think is the waterfall?
That waterfall gotta be dumb far.
And if that's the case, you see how far a walk that is? This is where we are. This is where the waterfall would be.
Wait, I met this girl when I was 12 years old. Give her everything, just shot of the world. Could get a grip every time I tried to hold on, I slip deep in this feeling that gravity pulls me down. I know I'm tripping, I'm falling in love with her drum breaks. She keep me safe from the gunplay when I'm hungry. She feed my soul when I'm lonely. She keep me company. It's funny. I used to wanna grow older, travel with sight in these rhymes, so they realize that she got me out of my mind. I'm trying to kick these nerves to grab hold to the microphone.
We came.
We saw. We did not conquer, but we out though.
This is a good breeze.
Yeah, it is. That was a good little workout though. I ain't gonna lie. For people who like walking trails, I bring like my homie Sheets down here. I think he would love this. Jamal too.
Yeah.
That's about it. That's all I.
That's crazy.
That's about it. Ain't nobody else gonna do this with me.
Including me. So you're gonna lie and say that you didn't deliver this?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
20. Stop lying.
What is this?
Is this really you? Did you really do it?
Seems like whatever it is for you, so.
It has your name on it. Flash jar. When you find love, never let it go. With a daily love note to make sure it grows. Each set includes a beautiful handcrafted glass jar with a wooden lid, packaged with what? I don't know.
Packaged with 100 red foil.
Oh, that's a number.
Fail.
You're so thoughtful.
Yeah. What we would do is write our notes
So,
on it.
and then we put it in here.
Yeah, and you put them on here like this. Almost like an affirmation. Every day, it's another reason why I love you.
This is
That's
such a
what you
cute
did.
idea.
Love on you.
I see it.
So,
How'd you do that?
fine. That way you never have to
Wow.
forget how much I love
Yeah.
when the camera's on. Yeah?
Seriously? Okay. Write your point down then. Oh, cheating. Okay.
What was the bullseye?
Just be cheating. Okay.
No, let me get that. All right, let's see what she got. She hit first, by the way, guys. No Ray J.
What?
Arms up. Ooh, low.
He's trying to see if this is a 6. I mean, you're in the red.
Y'all count that as a 6? He said if you hit the line, you count what it's in, but...
Fine, it's a 6. You can have it. That's a baby 6.
That's a small 6.
Another fun fact on our anniversary is also Carter's birthday, but we didn't celebrate that day. This is the weekend. This has always been the case, so I threw him a little birthday party. These pastries, he has empanadas, cupcakes, and cookies. They're from Pooch Pastries, so if you're in Atlanta, definitely hit her up because these were quality. Happy birthday. Hey, Grady Pop. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. You keep her over there, I keep over here. Come over here. Ready? That's it. Happy birthday, baby boy. Oh, okay. He always makes a mess. Oh, hers is over too.
Yep.
It's okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog just to get a sense of what I do on a daily basis. And yeah, let me know in the comments below. Did you enjoy seeing Carter, Chanel, my now husband, and everything? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.